awake is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel for another clean with me. Today I will be doing an after Christmas clean with me and undecorating. Who is over Christmas and happy that it's over? Because your girl is. It really didn't feel like Christmas this year. I don't know, it's probably because if you follow me then you guys already know, but my father passed away December 6th and it's been crazy ever since. I am just now starting to get back on track with life, but I'm sure it's gonna get crazy again once the new year is over, because then we're gonna have to start getting into his house and cleaning and all that craziness. But enough with all that. Your girl doesn't want to get all emotional, so let's get to cleaning, you guys.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving.
How many of you are like me and have a complete disaster in your house right now? You guys, I am going to be sweeping up a bunch of play-doh. Amelia got some play-doh activities for Christmas and she's been playing them all weekend. She absolutely loves play-doh and I absolutely hate it. Who else is like me and hates play-doh?
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you,
And you got me too.
we can always make it through. What we do is what we do.
I got this plant from my dad's wake. I am really bad at keeping things alive, but I thought it was just so beautiful. And my sister told me that she has one from my mom's wake, and that was 4.5 years ago. And she is the same way with plants. She just can't keep them alive. So she said the one from my mom's is still alive. She said all she does is water it once a week, and it's still there. So fingers crossed this plant stays alive. But if you guys have any tips for me, I would greatly appreciate it.
Yeah, I need it. Don't you need to? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to Sort out of the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that. And still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
Here, I'm just going to get under the table and use some all-purpose spray and get all the dirt that just falls off the table. I feel like underneath the table is really dirty compared to the rest of the floor because food falls. You know, when you have toddlers, you know, food falls and gets on the floor, play-doh. But yeah, I just want to get under there and give it a really good cleaning before I go in and mop.
All the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah, and I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Don't know, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go.
You guys, my living room is hideous. My dining room was too, but oh, toys everywhere. So in this video, you're going to see me cleaning a bunch of toys. I will be filming a video of me getting rid of the toys soon. Not the new toys, but the old ones. We're going to donate them. But in today's video, I will be taking down all the Christmas decor except my tree. Yes, except my tree. That's right. Why? I don't know. My boyfriend wants it up until January 3rd. I don't know why until January 3rd. Usually I thought we took it down after the new year, not January 3rd, like New Year's Day. But for some reason, he wouldn't let me take it down. So if it was up to me, the tree would go too. I am done with it. It's a real tree, and I am so sick and tired of it already. Cleaning up underneath it, it's just annoying. And Amelia is always touching the ornaments and rearranging them. But yeah, I'm tired of it. I can't wait till January 3rd. So I have some exciting content coming for you guys because my whole house is a disaster. My closet, we just took off the sliding doors. They were breaking, so we're going to get some new ones. Probably not glass. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that I had glass sliding doors in my for my closet. We're just going to get regular standard ones. And then my girls' room is a mess again. What's new? So I'm going to be painting their wall, doing like a DIY glitter wall. So stay tuned for that because that should be fun.
Something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own, but it's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear.
the new year right around the corner, what are some of your guys' New Year's resolutions? Usually mine would be to be skinny or get fit, eat healthy, something like that. But this year, it's definitely going to be different. I want to be more positive, be a better mother, not stressed all the time. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what are some of your guys's?
What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell, I really wonder, how did it come to this? Go see my friends, but then I realized they're all your friends. Is this who I am? You see me running around in circles, feeling so sweet, but should it be like this? I'm loving the heat, I think I'm losing it. What do I? Every time you call my name, what do I? What do I? Whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I? What do I? What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. Is this really healthy? Maybe I need therapy, yeah. Red carpet for you, let me hold your bag. I'll carry your shoes, I think I've lost it. What do I? Every time you call my name, what do I? What do I? You're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I? What do I? What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. Keep on rolling in silence. What do I? What do I? What do I? What do I? Maybe I should keep rolling in silence.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got everything, everything. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got it. wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lights on the answer. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
Loves, I am going to end this video folding some laundry. I hope that you guys enjoyed and it gave you guys some major cleaning motivation. Please subscribe, give this video a like. It really helps my channel out. And I will see you guys in my next one. And as always, have a wonderful day.